fucking truck.
Welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Your favorite Jordan 1 mid show. Get you guys some box action, let it focus. This one is the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Dark Chocolate and Crimson Bliss. Not a bad shoe. Pretty decent Jordy in my opinion. Hard to find them in big feet size, so if you found them in big feet size, you're lucky. Let me cut the light out. As you guys can see, it has reflective laces, 3M laces. The materials on this shoe are actually pretty decent. So like I said, if you can get your hands on a pair of these, please go and get yourself a pair. They're calling it another iteration of the poor man's Travis Scott. That's just a mid. I don't think they made a mid Travis Scott, but they did. This was it. All suede nubuck. This upper seems to be suede or nubuck as well. So it's 3 different types of suede and nubuck. Really not a bad shoe. Make sure I let you guys see this side if I didn't. That's really not a bad shoe at all. I don't know why you wouldn't want one of these. I hope you guys got a chance to pick them up. I got this one, and I got the low. Sorry about that, guys. I had to change the battery in my camcorder. Alright, let's get this 360 with the light on. Like I said, you have the reflective 3M laces. I hope you guys can make that out. Like I said, suede, a nubuck, all over. Light brown, the dark brown, and a black Nike swoosh with light brown stitching, almost pink stitching. Light brown upper, darker brown. They continue the Nike swoosh with the pink stitching back to the darker brown. You can see another 3M hit on the back of this Jordan right here, the silver. Same on this side. The midsole is like an eggshell. The bottom is brown. It's like when you put the shoe in the coffee, or when it's aged a little bit, but just so slightly on the midsole. One more 360 on this shoe, we get on with the next one. Jordan Brand's really doing good for this winter. I'm really liking the this winter lineup that they had so far. Make sure you check my other videos out. I showed the winter boots, the new Jordan 9 winter boots. Also, what is I think it's the winterized 14s. One more side view of what the shoe would look like on your foot. I think most people will probably switch the laces out. You can leave it, man. I don't know. It just seems weird to have a Jordan with 3M laces, a Jordan 1. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get on with this next shoe. All right, guys, let's get on. This may be my last one. For you guys, it's different videos, but I've been in here all day unboxing shoes. Boxing up shoes. Let me cut this light back on to get you guys some label action. It's another small label game. Alright, there, guys, my phone going off. This one reads the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE Dark Hazel Multicolor. I think they're calling these the Jordan Camos. attached to the other shoe. I guess I do have to take those shoes out. It shouldn't be too bad. Bear with me for a second, guys. I didn't want to take those shoes out, but it's important. Trying to get the paper back in here good. I always tear up my paper in my boxes, but I'm trying to keep this okay. Alright, so we'll start with the first shoe, guys. Both of these shoes are different. I got some lenties on my shoe. Materials on this shoe are absolutely outstanding. Like I said, I don't know why some people slept on this shoe. It took a while for them to sell out, so everybody came back and double dipped and triple dipped. Got so many sizes, and the shoes went up. So you get 2 pairs of extra laces, brown and orange. I don't know why they put them in this bag so nastily. They usually wrap them up good, but it is what it is. You get a black pair in the shoe. Jumpman on the back. The back of this shoe is also made out of Velcro. So you could attach a Nike Air tag on the back if you want the back of your shoes to say Nike Air instead of have the Jumpman. That's the best feature of this shoe in my opinion. Like I said, both shoes in this box are different as well. So we'll take a look at both shoes. This is the darker shoe, I believe. No, this is the lighter shoe. So you get a lighter material around the toe box. Looks like it's a little bit of 3M hits in there, so check it out, guys. Like I said, that's why you always need to look at your shoes fully and light, and both shoes have a different tongue. I'll not mess up these bags. I was able, like I said, to get this shoe in every size that I wanted, so it wasn't even a hard shoe to get. I think at a couple stores I've seen them sitting, so if you still want to get a pair or two, you can go get you a couple pairs. Like I said, the back, Velcro, suede. Materials on this shoe are outstanding. See the hits of the different camouflages, all in top quality material. Not going to do another spin of this shoe for the sake of the video. Going to the next shoe. Said both shoes are different. This is the darker shoe. Guys, a little bit of look at that tongue. Give you another look when I have the light on. Again, the shoe is just made out of outstanding materials. Definitely, like I said, if you have a chance and you're a fan of Jordan 3s, go and pick this shoe up. Can't see why you wouldn't want to shoe. These are the Nike Air tags that you put onto the back of the shoe. Cat's trying to get out. I believe him in the room because he wants to just get in here and tear these Jordans up. I'm not trying to have him tear my Jordans up right now. He likes all of the good material Jordans. He just likes to take them out of the box so he can scratch the box up and get inside the box. But like I said, it cost me my shoes. You see these are the tags. You put this on the back. If you want the back of your shoe to say Nike Air instead of have the Jumpman on the back. Let you see another top of the shoe. The lighter tongue. Inside of the shoe has a little orange Jumpman. Both of those are the same on the shoe. Cut it out, cat. He said, not getting to my Jordans. He said, give him the Jordans. That's all he wants. He really wants the box. Get ready to end this video so I can let this guy out. Just a great shoe, guys. I know, we got to do one more shoe. All right, we're going to do one more shoe. Then I'm going to end the video. Let me give you guys a side view of this shoe. What it looks like when it's on your foot. I'll bring the other shoe back. Let you guys see what both of the shoes look like on your foot. Light off. Light on. Light off. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Alright, guys, let's get this last pair of shoes out of the way. Got a pair of these for myself in size 13. I'm showing this pair from my cousin Ron in case he might want to get it. He likes to know all my size 9 shoes. A lot of people got this shoe. A lot of people didn't like it. Let me cut this light out real quick. That's another, either you love it or you hate it shoe. This shoe is the Air Force 1B, black, and silver, or the black and silver snake skins. It's all 3M material, I believe. It's in the, like I said, black and silver colorway, low top. Let's test these materials out. Materials are alright. Got a bunch of these in. Bought most of the ones that we could find just so that we could offer a sale, because a lot of people wanted some Air Force Ones. We were tired of just people coming in and getting all white Air Force Ones or the notorious all black. This is a pretty good Air Force, so if you guys are interested, we got a couple of sizes of this in stock left. We're going to put a few on eBay and a few on StockX. Couple on GOAT, I guess, too. They've been slow on GOAT. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, the 3M on this is really gonna pop. You guys got to get ready to check it out. The phone is gone off. This phone telling me battery low, so we're gonna get to it. I get this stuff over with, but we should make it. Woo! This shoe looks like the shoe of the Lord. Like I said, materials are great, guys. This isn't a bad shoe. If you like Air Forces, like I said, definitely check this out if you can get your hands on. Look at that 3M, man. Looks like a completely different shoe when the lights hit it. Imagine yourself stepping out of the car, going into the club. They start doing some light stuff, and look at what your feet are gonna look like. Outstanding. Nothing too special about it other than that. Like I said, that's my favorite aspect of this shoe. It's the 3M hits when the lights hit it. It's like no other shoe. You can't even really say it's silver. It's like a metallic silver, a reflective silver, whatever you want to call it. 3M silver. Like I said, I only bought one pair of this shoe. After I seen it, I said I should have got another pair for myself. I might actually want to wear it, but I'm not a big Air Force wearer. I usually just wear Jordan 1s or Jordan 3s now. But you never know when a shoe like this can come in handy, maybe in the summer. Alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright guys, we have a bonus shoe review. I got this pair of shoes for my nephew. My dad wanted me to get them for him. I'll get you guys a little bit of box action. This shoe is the Jordan Zion 1 Blue Void University Red and White. So Kimia, if you want to let Brandon watch the video, here's your shoes, Brandon. He's going to be playing some basketball this season. Materials on this shoe are like a netting. But it should hold your foot good, it looks like. Looks like it'll be good for basketball. You can see the little eBay tag. Got it from our favorite authenticators, sneaker company. Nice materials. I said this is Zion Williams' first shoe. I don't know if you guys bought them. I think I might get a pair just because they're a little different. Seem light on the feet. Good for running and gripping. If you have wide feet, it looks like the shoe is actually good for wide feet. The materials on this shoe are crazy. I'm going to get you guys a little bit of light action. It's not leather, like a composite material. Everything feels cool. Everything looks pretty decent. Tongue looks decent. Get you guys a little bit of top view of the shoe. Got the little ZW for Zion Williams. I've seen these before. I never looked at any close up because I really wasn't interested in them. I think I got one pair. I can't remember which colorway I got, but I do have one pair now that I think about it. Someone gave them to me. Whichever was the first colorway. Was this the first colorway? I remember it's a weird color. Maybe like some purple or something over there. I'm telling you guys wrong. I apologize, but I think they're Zions. It's a weird looking Zion. But the kids really like it now. It was given to me by a younger person. I used to come up with slinkers. So they told me that the Zions was in style. I believe it was the Zion. They told me that's what everybody's wearing. It was a weird color Zion. This was not too bad. Like I said, this is a good Zion. I hope my nephew enjoys it. Let me give you guys a side view. What it looks like when it's going to be on your feet. Not a bad shoe at all. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the show next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. If you guys get these Zions too in any colorway, let me know. Get back to me. Everybody stay safe out there. You know, we're still going through these trying times. I'll keep my collection growing. You guys keep your collections growing. And stay safe. Everybody fucking jump!